Yo, yo, yo. Hey, it's Dr. West. Listen, in this clip, you're going to get behind the scenes look at one of my in-person trainings, right? This is where everything changes for a lot of people. Now, we're not just learning, we're making phone calls, we're getting quotes, and we're building real momentum in our program. Now, listen, y'all, if this fires you up, be on the lookout for our next in-person training. Like, check the link below. We'll let you know when our next one is. We'll let you know what city I'm coming to. Or better yet, you could just join the community and get access to the full training, uncut, everything that we've talked about in the video. You'll get that whole deal in the community. So let's get into it. Check the links below to find out about the community. Peace.
Continue with that. We're going to start calling some quotes, calling some subs. But back to what Sarah said, back to the mindset. So now think about earlier, y'all. Earlier, we called the CO, right? We told them who we were. We said our company name. We said, how you doing today? And honestly, here's my rule of thumb. Let the COs talk your ear off. They can talk all day. The CO, they want to talk to me for a half hour, I talk to them for a half hour. It's a CO. I let them talk. When we call the sub, however, we just got to go. Like, I ain't got time for all that because we got to go. We got to call. Here's the honest number. You probably got to call about 10 subs, y'all. 10 to get one quote. That's the honest truth. To get one quote, you got to call about 10 subs if you're lucky. Now, if you're lucky, you might get 3 quotes, and then we can really talk about pricing. But in a non-perfect world, you're going to call about 10. So because of that reason, we ain't got a lot of time to be on the phone for a half hour, all that stuff. It's not that type of deal. It's not trying to be rude. We're just trying to get to the point. Now, Sarah, you said when you call the sub, like, what do we call ourselves? Write this down. Write this down. This is kind of my script. So a sub may ask you, who are you and how are you involved in this? Here's my sentence. Our company has been tasked by fill in the blank. So let's say our company has been tasked by DOD. Our company has been tasked by the Forest Department. Our company has been tasked by ... Our company has been tasked by this department to get a few quotes to get the job done. Can you do the job? I'll say it again. Our company has been tasked by the Forest Department to get a few quotes to get the job done. Can you do the job? That's the cookie cutter script. Like that's all I say. Now here's the thing, Sarah, good point. If they say, well, why are you calling me from Cleveland? This is Atlanta. My answer is, I live in Cleveland. Oh, okay. Right, okay. I live in Cleveland. Well, okay, then you won't run into this often, but sometimes you will. You'll run into that sub that wants to be like, I'm all big and tough, and why are you calling me, and this and that. I'll tell you guys all the time, I will answer every single one of their questions. I will give them my name, my number, my home address, my social. Not gonna give them social, but I give them everything they ask. But here's the funny part. As soon as they get done, ask me every single question. I gave them all the answers. And then here's the thing about the middleman. If they say, are you a middleman? Are you someone that's gonna sit on the couch and do none of the physical work and I'm gonna do the work? Yeah, sure, I'm that person. Oh, okay. So, but here's the thing, but once they ask all the questions, they're done, I'll say, okay, can you do the work? Period. How much you gonna charge? And I promise you, if you just keep that composure all the time, they like, yeah, that's what we do. Okay, how much you gonna charge? or they can say, we don't work with third party. Okay, cool, have a good day, no big deal. Like, it's that simple. It's not an argument. You're not in a battle. Like, don't get too huffy puffy. Just, it is what it is. You don't have to be an expert in this stuff. We're gonna do it live right now. You don't have to be an expert in dozer loaders or charter buses or whatever it is. Let me do a technical expert. Correct. You don't have to be a technical expert. ASL interpreting service. I think this is in Columbus. My point here is just to show you, like, you don't have to be an expert on interpreting. Like, I know a little sign language, but I don't know sign language, right? But I'm gonna show you. Let me just show you. Let me show you better. What I'm looking for really quickly is I'm looking for the scope of work, right? Let's see. Bid sheet. Let's just go through each one. So I'm going through the same process of looking for what are they looking for. Okay, so we got hours per year, hours per month. And we're looking for interpreting services, sign language interpreting services, pool interpreter, shift interpreter, virtual pool. So virtual and, okay, cool. I have enough to get a quote. I'll tell you what I mean. This is my honest opinion. I have enough to get a quote. What I mean by that is we have enough to type in Google. Let's just type in interpreting services. And again, they have virtual needs, so it could be out of Columbus. Let's just do Columbus. Columbus, Ohio. And let's go to maps. Let's see if we can find some people.
So generally, is that kind of service, or they have to be.
Yeah, there is some in-person ones. I mean, yeah, there are some in-person services. So we have some interpreting services or organizations that are kind of popping up, interpreting global language services. Okay, cool. Plenty of companies. Now, back to your question of like, well, Wesley, what are you saying to them? I'm calling them to say, two questions, right? What's my two questions? Can you do the job? How much is it gonna cost? That's it, right? Now, they might say, well, how many hours of virtual and how many hours? Whoa. Give me a second. I'll get that information to you, but can you do it? Oh, yes, we can definitely do it. Okay, great. I'll send you an email with that information. You get what I'm saying? So you are gonna have to email people stuff, but the biggest thing I want you guys to know is you should be picking up the phone and calling without needing to know all that information, because we just got two questions. And if they tell me they can do it, then we can go forward. Does that make sense? All right, let me call. Actually, I don't even know where this is even at, y'all. All I know is it's in Columbus. This DLA?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're...
Defense Logistics and Equal Employment Office in Columbus. Okay, it's DLA in all Columbus. All right, cool. So, I mean, that's one thing you guys want to know. Before you call, it's like you might want to have the address of where you call. And that's like the most common question. Like, okay, well, where is it at?
Welcome to
Give me a second.
Translations.
Let's see if we can find someone. I was like, sometimes you got to call around. Like, I might not have the right keywords that I'm typing in, but if I called a deaf center, I might be able to get somebody.
Hey, what's up, my friend? I'll let you get back to the video, but real quick, I've helped people make 6 to 7 figures a year in government contracting. No joke. Our students have been awarded over $100 million in contracts. Again, no joke. Hey, listen, do me a favor. Check the link above me or above my head or below and check out one of my master classes. I'm doing some free trainings on Friday at 7 p.m. I don't do them often. I kind of do them as I have time. So click the link, go to the website. We have middleman101.com or thecontractingblueprint.com. Either way, they take you to the same place. But come check out a masterclass. It's a free training by me. It's an hour training. I go over government contracting, and then we'll see if we're a good fit to work together. Talk to you then. All right, peace.
Interpreters. This is Chris. How may I help you?
Hey, Chris, how you doing today?
Good.
Awesome. I'm looking to get a quote for commercial services. I mean, like bulk order of hours or like online services, in-person services. Who do I need to speak to do that?
I can help you with that.
Awesome. Okay, what do you need from me in order to put a quote together?
What exactly is it that you're looking for?
So our company has been tasked by the DLA to get a quote to get some interpreting services at their center in Columbus. And there's a request for, basically there's a bulk hours. There's 1,000 hours, it looks like, within a year. There's a certain amount of monthly hours. There's a certain amount of virtual hours, things of that nature. But again, I'm not an expert. I don't know too much about the industry, so I'm just trying to get a quote.
Did they give you any kind of language breakdown?
So what I got here is virtual pool interpreter. I got shift interpreter. Looks like pool interpreter again. This is a work setting, so these folks are going to be training and doing the day-to-day works at DLA. So I don't think it will be as needed. I think it will be scheduled. So yeah, what were you thinking price-wise for that?
That's $100 per hour.
Okay.
With its premium at $110 if it's after business hours or weekend holiday, and that has a 30-minute minimum charge.
Gotcha.
And obviously there'd be no travel with that since it's virtual.
Gotcha. Understood. Okay, and when it comes to like the certification of the interpreter, like their training, is that provided upon request, or how does that work?
It's not. We don't just grab somebody who, yeah, I know sign language. Typically,
Yeah.
those type of people, the families will develop their own slang and their own shortcuts for how to say things.
So I'm learning a lot about interpreting,
And
guys. The
obviously
point is,
that
the
does
phone
not
call, you're going to learn
transmit
so much
to the
as you
real
go.
world. They're not in your family, and they can't understand your own little jargon.
Yep.
So we don't.
But no, Chris, this is great. This is giving me a lot of information. That's exactly what I need. So I really appreciate your time.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. I'll be in contact.
All right. Have a good day.
All right, you too. All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, so usually it's not that long of a call, but Chris is very detailed. Thank you, appreciate it. But to your point, you see, I don't need to know anything about interpreting to get a quote. Y'all see my point? Like, I don't need to know what ASL versus this is, and like, no disrespect, but it's like, I don't need to know that. I can learn as you call. And I promise you guys, once you get to the third call, you will be an expert on that topic. I promise you. You'd be like, yo, is it ASL? You'd be like this. Like, so if I call the 10th sub, I'm an expert. Anything I've been on, I'm the expert by the third call. So that's what I mean by like, don't worry about like, oh my goodness, I gotta go research ASL before I call. I'm like, no, you don't. Now, I would like a volunteer to call the next company in Columbus for the same topic. You ain't gotta learn something different. We're gonna do the same thing, the same topic. Who hasn't called yet? You did call yours today, you did. Sarah raised her hand and you can go next. All right, Sarah, the number is on the screen. I'll zoom in. The number is on the screen. We're calling about the same thing, nothing different.
Hi, yes,
Hello?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My name is Sarah. I was looking for some ASL interpreting services. Do I have the right number?
You do? Yeah. What can I do for you?
Yes, ma'am. I am working on a government contract for about 32 hours a week for the next year. Is that something you guys are
Okay.
able to provide?
Where are you calling from? Like, are you calling from an agency? Like, help me understand a little more.
Oh, yes, ma'am. My company's based in Atlanta. We're working on a contract right now for services out of Columbus.
For which, for DLA or DFAS or for whom?
Yes, ma'am.
For
DLA.
one of those.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we would actually not be interested in working through you guys because we have that contract now.
Awesome. Well, thank you. Have a great day.
Yep.
Bye.
So first of all, congratulations, good job. Like that's fine. Like you did a good job. You did a great job. Like, we're going to call people who have the contract. Like, that's gonna happen because like, yeah, it's gonna happen. Not a big deal. But you did it perfect. You got off the phone, like, okay, no problem, have a good day.
This is the best decision that I've made in a long time for myself. There's so much information that's being shared with us right now. You know, just yesterday, I had a major aha moment. I know today I expect another aha moment too. Just absorb like a sponge. That's all I could tell you, man. Just absorb like a sponge, because guess what? We all will be next. Guaranteed. We all will be next.
Aha moments, you know, he's dropping golden nuggets. You know, he's doing it again today. But what I liked the most was, you know, I spent time putting together a list of opportunities I was looking at, and we looked at them, and we selected one, and we just kind of talked about it. Did he help me really narrow in and focus on what I need to be looking at? And to me, that's just like, I've already got my money's worth today. I can just stop.
You know, just full disclosure, I had pushed and went all the way through everything: registration, website, NAICS codes, set aside, all of that stuff set up, page code, all of that's been done. Myself, I was at a point to where I didn't know what the next steps were. I asked a couple of questions yesterday, got clarification, and that was great. I didn't ask any questions today. I've been listening, because it's hard to articulate, but it's almost like you don't know what you don't know. But to listen to the other students and Dr. West and the response and all of that, that triggered things for me. I'm like, oh, and would write something down or I'd take a note. It's great to come with specific questions, but just to sit and listen to that detail and listen to what some other people are experiencing and some of their questions and challenges, and you can be like, oh yeah, I hadn't thought of that. Yeah, this is a great session. Very happy that I did this.